Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday directions video. Pretty straightforward day today. This is the last day of the unit basically. Wednesday we're going to review tomorrow, and then on Monday we're going to take our quiz. So that's kind of the deal. So kind of a review day-ish. We're just going to watch the Engineering and Empire Greece video. We talked about a majority of the stuff in this video, maybe not at length in some of the stuff, especially like the older Greek stuff, but you guys will kind of see that moving forward. The assignment that goes with it is this viewing guide. Again, you can just open it up in Google Docs through that, like I just did. We'll let this load here. All right. And again, for you guys, if you want to, you can go up here, you can click File, you can make a copy, and then you can then just type it in right here. If you don't want to do that, feel free to just have numbers 1 through 25 on a blank Google Doc. And again, we're interrupted by the bell like always. Just have a Google Doc 1 through 25, and then just fill in your answer there. All right. So pretty easy day. Last day of school-wide review. Wednesday, when the Wednesday group's in here, we'll go through. I'll hand out the study guide to everybody. For this quiz, listen up now. For this quiz, I believe I'm gonna let you guys use your notes on this. So, on Thursday and Friday, on Saturday and Sunday, I would definitely be jotting down stuff in a notebook that I can use later. And the question would be, what kind of stuff am I looking at? What kind of stuff should I put in my notebook? If I were you, I would go to the PowerPoint, like I'm going to do right now. And I would go through this. And again now, stuff that has the target and the vocab symbol is the important part. And so for example, Minoan civilization. It's a vocab, but there's just two little things here. So you're going to have to hop on Wikipedia and look up the Minoan civilization and do some reading and then put that in your notes. All right, so you're going to have to put a little work into it. But again, you'll be able to get 100% on the quiz if you just look some of this stuff up and put it in your notes. Okay, and obviously some of the stuff we are here for. All right, so keep an eye on that, and good luck.